Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're on the road. Mom is in the back.
Hi family, hi YouTube family.
Okay, so mom is in the
road.
Yes, so today's Saturday. It's around in the afternoon time. So we're just going to, where is it? Mana Center or Mana Park?
I think Mana Center.
Mana Center, yeah. So it's just a little quick running and it's not anything.
Checking out prices and stuff. We're not doing any shopping.
Yes, so
We
it's
got
just
no money for shopping.
yeah, it's just
checking on prices of things that we will need.
yes, so it's just a quick running for the meantime. So we're going to carry you guys along with us, show you like how the road is and everything, because it's basically Christmas time now in Jamaica, so you know it's going to be a lot more congested.
Oh, you're back.
You hit the nightstand free. Oh, this is the nightstand.
This is free. Sold out. It's sold out.
Oh, somebody take it out. I'm guessing it's one.
I want that bedded. An headboard free. The bed of a country.
It's a nice headboard.
How much fee? It's not right.
No, right here, so the whole thing together.
Oh,
Take king bed, dresser, mirror.
So
And then this is the, and then this is the.
No, the
Oh, it's a
559
dresser.
is for the king bed.
Oh, you can buy the chest
dresser.
differently.
So you'll get that and the frame and the dresser. Just put the dresser and the bed free. Where are we looking at this?
I was wondering the same thing because you say it came for doors. This looks very rustic. I don't like this.
Maybe Terry could have make one like
This is what you want?
Oh. But does that show you all the things over there? Over there, I've done from when all them must have been expensive. So this is a bed frame. And I guess this dresser.
Yeah, come. They get the queen bed, dresser, mirror.
Them sell nice.
They sell the mattresses. So.
Yeah, the mattress good.
This now?
As the seat them here for.
Oh, this is the one you say I want to wear. And these 69. Of course.
Show them.
Sing it.
Okay, swing it. He not much space.
Oh, it goes round. It goes around. No, there's space in it. You know, you have to latch off the next chain. And this is a double.
100,000. That's a piece of garbage.
Oh.
Who wants that?
Hello, single people. Ain't this what you have?
Yes, this is what I have.
Also, well, because it looks
This is
exactly the same.
definitely-
No, the only difference is it has this right here.
And my burner here.
This is what I
my
was
burner
asking.
here is bigger.
This is what I was asking. If
No,
it
I
had, if your
didn't
thing
get
had
that
this,
today.
it would have been good if it have this in the kind of you could have do pancakes and
No,
stuff
but
like
remember,
that.
say this apart. But that should come with this. My one of the middle part.
Yeah.
Like this.
So what you do on the middle part? You can cook on it.
What do you want? Put honey, wrap up fish in a file paper. and
Oh,
roast
and roast it on it. Okay. So these are all the stoves to have? Oh, Roscoe's.
it. What are they now?
I would have. This is older than me. And they're selling, and they're selling them for 49,000.
beautiful placenta with all the poinsettias.
What are they called?
These are called poinsettias. Are they natural?
Poinsettia?
Poinsettias.
Oh,
Red.
poinsettias. Okay.
Blood red in warm December. And these are orchids. Yeah, they're
That's
real.
oh, those
This
are
is an orchid, orchid, yeah. Oh, these are so nice.
What's the price?
I don't know, girl.
Go fast. Go fast.
Alright, these are so pretty. This one is this is 2 black custards. This one is 2,000 custards.
What are you buying meat?
I'm gonna go to the meat fridge.
Okay.
I just saw something. I don't even know. Let me check the picture of
What are these? Oh, a cornbread? Yeah. A cornbread.
cornbread.
Yeah, that's what they look like. Meat fridge. Oh, they're up there, so.
Music is here, so they know so they take out the art.
No, it's not a music. It's a radio.
I don't even know what that is.
A radio. Oh no, there's a music.
Is it coming through though? Not sure.
Probably.
Probably. Wow. Okay.
See,
I've got to come and get one of those pots.
oh
One
yeah,
of the
one of the orchids. Those are
So that
nice.
the pot on the orchid will be 10,000 or 11,000. I can't afford that.
Just get the orchid
I have
then.
a very nice orchid of country in
Yeah, you can
just
put. You
here.
can just buy the pot if you want. See me too.
No chicken. What's that chicken there look for?
All the way down there. So what you want?
Big shot there.
You have to ask
They
them.
don't have
Ask,
another
ask.
refrigerator. No man, I think that one is like that. What's your man?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, me have a nice orchid and the workman them throw cement.
Them throw cement on it?
Yeah,
I
not
am
really
them
deliberately, so to speak. How about them here?
No, we're not, you say no. You say
You know, use picnic
you say me not
and
for using a picnic so go on
and
then.
today, I'm there neither.
Today another good day for ham.
Today, I'm money. We don't work the money.
No, not today.
Not today, but this is what? Grace
See them there. 9,463.
plus tax. No, leave out that.
So when you're for 8,000.
You know what? No. We have different
I want to
brands.
get a arm like that you want?
You only buy them bigger, me are bigger.
Like this?
And them always bigger than that. I don't like little
Mommy, what we are doing is such a big arm like this. This is 11,000.
Yeah,
It's
they
a
have
12.
13 and then up there. But I want choices of different brands.
This is 10. See some more brands over there.
around this. So
Big chatters around us.
Yeah, I'm going to go like this.
More choices of ham there over there.
Yeah, but we are nearby them.
Yeah, we're not buy it now.
I wonder if them are trust them. Them are credit them. So they can own the way.
Not buy none now. As I said, enough of
Okay, this is Caribbean Passion. It's a very good brand of used
this
to
one?
be, yeah. And you see
So
them give
11.
them, yeah, 11,000. Their arms, well, I don't know if it still is
14, 13, 12.
bone in. Yeah. Kuya. Yeah, buy Caribbean Passion.
Caribbean Passion.
Yeah, but that's them.
You don't use one of them there?
Yeah,
Okay.
but I use one of them there again.
One are bigger still.
Yeah, these are bigger. Which
It's
brand
a
is this?
Hamilton.
American.
Oh, I'm not really familiar with this brand. These are huge.
You have to
I don't know what this is.
The one they big. How much million this? Look,
This one? This is 15.
15,000 plus tax.
Yeah.
Yeah, that about 17,000.
How much bigger this?
Because you know that them are arranging at the mill. Yeah, but we never come to buy them.
Yeah,
We
see
come
the
to buy
picture
them.
of them.
No, this is cold food. It's a donkey food. Donkey food. I am looking for
Picture.
local picture.
Come down here, sir. This is fish. This is a fish. Not the regular.
So them now can picture cars. Actually, they don't.
These are all seafood.
Seafood.
Yeah.
They no fold them here.
Oh, that's a chicken. This is fish, this is chicken. Do I
Chicken,
cook up on chicken though?
No, some chicken. I want my best dress roaster. Best dress roaster them.
Yeah. Ow.
What is? So we're on there. 3,000. Not 34,000. 3,400.
I treat us mommy with chicken at 34
And them
grams.
a best dress roaster.
This is cook up regular chicken?
Yeah, just take up a chicken.
Alright.
Pick up one. How much would that? 1,600?
Yeah.
Let me see that. How big is this? That is a 1,600. Take up that here.
So,
Give me it. Let me carry it. Basically, I eat that.
that's all we do?
Yeah. I don't know what else we need. We need something else.
I don't think so. I have a seasoning them at home, or just the chicken. Alright, fine.
Not the vegetable.
Vegetable? They're behind me.
Have it on there?
Yeah. Fruits and vegetables. It's a nice tree. I don't like green. I don't like green. What, mixed vegetable? Oh, snow peas. See, sorry, the mommy pick up back.
This one, mixed lettuce.
See, sorry.
How much million for this?
Mixed lettuce. It's romaine mixed lettuce.
Some brown,
970 something.
Some brown color in tender with
Mommy,
the
see, sorry.
But me not buy sorry in the supermarket. It's own plant sorry. You have stuff at home.
Yeah,
Everything.
we need vegetable. This
Eggplant.
Eggplant.
Smally.
is the local small. Is the small one? Is the local one them? Another.
The local one them never know.
You never
have a
normally
different
big.
shape.
They're not normally big.
You need not more. Basically, I have everything at home.
Alright.
Only like some of them yellow onions.